Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So today is going to be day 3 for demo. So demo day 3. And I'm going to work on knocking out all of these ceiling tiles, these fiber ceiling tiles. And there's probably wallpaper under there. So I'm going to work on getting those out and then get the wallpaper off. And then we'll have all wood exposed, floors, walls, ceiling. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. And also check out our other content after you're done with this video. Appreciate everybody watching. Enjoy the video. I guess this is how they did it back in the day. Crazy. But the hardest thing about the wallpaper with the ceiling tiles that were over it, because I did this in the girl's closet, was the staples made it a little harder because there was just more stuff holding that paper on. So I'm gonna put my mask back on. Alright everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. I'm going to wrap there. I just got everything cleaned up. I got the ceilings done. And so everything is all wood exposed. All the wood is exposed in the room. So I'm going to work on getting I think the shiplap has to come down next before I can get the ceiling boards off. And then, you know, we're just going to start doing electrical and doing, cut the floor out and start digging out the crawl space better, re-supporting that. Checking if there's how much of a bow there's going to be in the ceiling, and if I need to install some I-beams or something like that to hold up those 2x8 floor joists and the 2x4 ceiling straps. Might have to Simpson tie those things in or something after I lift up that upper second story floor a little bit, just to make sure everything stays nice and solid for another 100+ years. So. Yeah, a lot of fun little projects on this one coming up. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Now go check out some of our other content, everybody. Appreciate y'all.